Hey, what's going on with y'all, man? I just want to talk to you about the importance of the home gym. You know, I just had to leave the gym because I had to come home for something, which sucked, wasn't no good. And it set me behind in my workout. But I have a home gym, so even though I'm home and what I needed to do is done, it took like 2 seconds, but I had to go home and leave the gym, I still have weights here. So I could still, I could still get it in, you know? Ooh, and that's what it's all about, in all honesty. Still being able to get your sets in, regardless of what happens. Gym's closed. Car breaks down. It don't matter, you know? As long as you get that hour to an hour and 15 minutes inside the workout, you good. You know, that way, regardless of what happens, you can still get it in. No excuses. It's a game of consistency. It's a game of numbers. And I feel like a lot of people are really drastically underestimating, you know, how effective, you know, a barbell is, a couple pound dumbbells, a medicine ball, and a kettlebell can be, you know. In all honesty, this kettlebell kick your butt. I thought this was like some hippie mumbo jumbo. This will give you that work. I used to think CrossFit was some BS and kettlebells was BS. Them things will smash you, okay? And your joints, it like hits your joints different. It's hard to explain necessarily, but I know it hits my muscle fibers just different. Shout out to all the CrossFit people, because I thought y'all were a little crazy at first, but I'm like, wow, these exercises actually burn. You know, I didn't go cap. I need to get a heavier one, but yeah, guys, make sure you get yourself a home gym. That's what it's all about. Just showing up. It's half the battle. You guys have a good day. I'm out.